At Andea, we are dedicated to helping clients achieve manufacturing excellence through development, testing, implementation, and post-go-live maintenance services. Today, let's explore how our Project Excellence team partnered with Brose Group to revolutionize their mass testing processes.
With a complex MES ecosystem having multiple external systems integrated, testing was becoming a challenge for Brose. The whole process was executed manually, so the execution of 34 business test scenarios was taking 2 weeks.
As the MES squad lead within the Brose IT and responsible for the related test capacities, I see a lot of benefits by using the Andea test automation solution. Not only are we saving a lot of efforts on the manual test cases, we are also able to run much more tests in less time. And by implementing this in our workflow of development and deployment, we are able to identify issues much earlier in the process, which is of course increasing our overall product quality and code quality. And with this, increasing the satisfaction of our users as well.
34 business scenarios covering their major flows was taking 2 weeks to be executed. Brose turned to us because of our expertise in automated test framework development. We could use our own tool with just small adjustments to easily integrate with their infrastructure.
When we started to develop our own MES with Dassault's Apriso back in 2020, we were searching for a service provider and we found Andea. Andea already has a long-standing partnership with Dassault, which provides us trust. Also, they offered us high-quality developers, testers and really experienced consultants. In the end, our software really grew in complexity and we were really improving our software quality. But we recognized that we have really big testing effort and we need a test automation.
Our automated testing framework is a Selenium and Python-based solution that gives us possibility to streamline the whole testing process. It can create all the data needed for test execution, such as production order explosion, product creation, or even master data alignment if needed.
Our main target was to cover the key MES functionalities for the production execution, and we wanted to simulate the real-time shop floor processes that we can ensure at minimum risk that the software is functioning in the plant for the operator. And in the end, our main goal was to have a regression testing in place that after every release, we could ensure that the software and the functionality is working like it should.
Another important feature of our testing solution is integration with other systems, like Azure DevOps. It means that all the test results are recorded automatically, giving quick insights into potential issues.
In the beginning, we closely worked with Andea to define every test scenario we want to cover. After that, Andea already began setting up the framework and the configurations, and within a couple sprints we already had a major test coverage and we were able to use the framework. The involvement of Brose team was always really high, so I myself, for example, was involved from the beginning in writing my own test cases.
And by doing this, we have much more capacity and time to invest this in innovation and development, and not only in repetitive testing.
We got also provided training, and in the end we are right now continuously enhancing the framework to cover also the new functionalities which we are continuously developing.
After implementing our testing framework, what once took 2 weeks now can be done in 3 hours. We produced 350 products with our framework and sent over 900 messages simulating behavior of external systems. And what is most important, we automated 600 manual steps. In the long term, Brose received living dynamic testing solution that can be easily adjusted to their needs. As a result, they gained faster feedback loops and increase in production quality.
So as a conclusion, by using this solution from Andea, we are able to improve the quality of our code. We save a lot of time, we can be a much more productive team, and that's why the solution is a key asset in our operation.
Our approach, together with the internal tools that we develop, help us to create comprehensive testing solution. We need to remember about important factor, which is client's involvement. Brose really helped us to understand their business processes, and we could include them into our end-to-end scenarios.
At Andea, we don't just implement manufacturing solutions. We create long-term partnerships that lead towards manufacturing excellence. Are you ready to transform your processes like Brose Group? Reach out to talk about your needs and challenges.